Hi, my name's Ava, and in this video we're going to walk through how to create mobile estimates in the LMN Crew app. Please note that mobile estimating currently supports standard estimates only. Service estimates are not yet available. Let's get started. Before jumping into the Crew app, we first need to make sure the right permissions are enabled in LMN. From the web app, go to Settings, then Manage Users and Staff, and select the user you want to check. First, confirm the user type is set to Office Staff or Crew Lead. Next, select View All Permissions and make sure the user has access to one of the three estimate permission types. Without estimate permissions, the mobile estimating feature won't appear in the Crew app. From your device, open the LMN Crew app and sign in. Tap the navigation icon to open the side menu, then tap My Estimates. On this screen, you'll see a list of standard estimates assigned to you as the estimator. The list is sorted with the most recent estimates at the top and is limited to estimates created within the last 90 days. To create a new estimate, tap Create Estimate. On the Select Estimate Type screen, choose Standard Estimate. Now, we'll assign the estimate to a contact. On the Contact step, you can either search for and select an existing contact by name or address, or tap Create New Contact to add a new one. After selecting the contact, the job site will auto-populate when there's only one option. If the contact has multiple job sites, you can choose the correct one from the list. Next, choose the division this estimate belongs to and tap Save. Once you've created the estimate, the app automatically opens the View and Edit screen, where you can start adding work. Tap Add Work Area, then choose whether to create one from scratch or use a template. Today, we'll be demonstrating how to create a work area from scratch. First, you'll assign the work area a name and a cost code. From there, select Add Items. Use the tabs across the top to browse your price list, select the item, adjust the quantity and tax if needed. And save it into the work area. As you make changes, the financial summary at the top of the estimate updates in real time. This lets you quickly sanity check pricing, profitability, and job size while you're still on site. Once everything looks right, you can click into an individual item to review pricing and taxes. It is important to note that the pricing and tax information pulls from the company's default budget. You can also add any relevant client or crew notes to the work area. When you're ready, use Preview and Share to see how your estimate will look to the client and send it directly from your phone. Here you'll be able to view proposed work, client notes, and financial details. At the bottom of the page is your company's terms and conditions configured in LMN Pro. When sending an estimate, the email will automatically populate with the primary email address on the contact. If needed, you can tap the Send To field to select a different email address or add additional recipients. The email content itself cannot be edited on mobile. It uses your company's default email template set up in LMN Pro to ensure consistency. If the client is ready to move forward while you're on site, they can review, approve, and sign the estimate directly in the Crew app. This allows you to walk through the quote in real time, answer questions immediately, and close the job faster without follow-up emails. Once the estimate is approved, you can return to the Additional Details section to update the close date and adjust the estimate status. And that's how you create standard estimates in the LMN Crew app. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.